In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT API, Beginner Friendly Guide 2026, ClickUp. If you've ever wanted to connect ChatGPT to your ClickUp workspace for smarter automations or internal tools, this walkthrough is for you. We're going to create a simple app inside ClickUp and securely link it to your OpenAI account. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the right workspace and that your role has permission to manage API settings. Having your OpenAI API key ready will also save time, but keep it private at all times. Begin on your ClickUp home screen. Open the main menu and go to Settings. This is the central place for team level configuration, and it's where ClickUp keeps all API controls. If you're part of multiple teams, double check that you're adjusting the correct one at the top of the page. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled ClickUp API. Select it to open the developer area for your team. Here, you'll see options that let your workspace talk to external services in a controlled, auditable way. Next, open the ClickUp API settings page. This is where you'll create and manage apps. Think of an app here as a secure container that defines how your workspace will connect to another service, in our case, ChatGPT. Choose the option to create an app. Click the plus button and you'll be prompted to enter details. Even for personal or internal use, creating an app keeps things organized and makes it clear what has access to your data. Enter a clear, memorable app name focused on ChatGPT so teammates immediately understand its purpose. Keeping names specific is helpful later when you review logs or rotate credentials. A concise description can also provide context for admins and auditors. When you're ready, create the app and paste your OpenAI API key into the field provided. Treat this like a password. Don't share it in chats or screenshots, and avoid storing it in plain text. If your organization uses a secrets manager or environment variables, that's the best place to keep a backup. After pasting, save your changes to lock everything in. If your key is masked on screen, that's normal. Copy it once, store it securely, and keep the original source handy in case you need to rotate it later. That's it. You've created a ClickUp app and connected it to ChatGPT's API, laying the groundwork for AI-powered workflows. This setup doesn't change any tasks by itself. It simply authorizes future tools and automations to use ChatGPT safely. If you don't see the API options, check with an admin about permissions. If a key isn't accepted, verify it's active on your OpenAI account and hasn't been restricted. With the setup complete, you're ready to build features that call ChatGPT from within your ClickUp processes.